Yeah, you all are waiting about this one, and yes, you all are correct. This is the Samsung Galaxy M40, and yeah, this is my first unboxing. Welcome to my first unboxing. Next one will be even better than this one. So, let's jump into this unboxing and review too. Unboxing plus review. Welcome to Tech Hype. My name is Jay. Let's get right into it. So of course you can see it is normal usual Samsung M series packing, and you can see the phone here. And let me just peel out this thing and just open the phone. Okay, so after opening this phone, you will the first thing you will see, of course, the Samsung Galaxy M40 wrapped in a plastic wrapper. Yeah, plastic wrapper, and inside there is an, of course, normal. This phone does not contain an headphone jack, so that's good that Samsung is providing USB-C port with USB-C earphone, and that are just awesome. And that what we say punch hole display gives this device S10e look, which is just so good. And yes, you all are right, my sound is not that good because I'm not well. So let's leave that topic and jump into this video topic, which is the Samsung Galaxy M40. So the Samsung Galaxy M40 is around 20,000 Indian rupees, which is just so good. It contains triple camera with so damn fast fingerprint scanner and have an S10e look. Yes, you can see the displays from top to bottom. It is so damn good, man. I am in love with this display. That punch hole thing is so good. And believe me, go ahead on a Samsung store and check this one out. This one is awesome. I actually buy this one for my mother, but now I'm thinking, shall I switch to this phone? By the way, I'm using iPhone 7 and it is much better in hardware and everything. But then also the design software, now Samsung have improved it so much that I am thinking to switch to Samsung. So if this video will get over 150 likes, then I will switch to this device. And yes, thank you all. We are about to reach that milestone, which is called 2k subscribers. Currently, when I shooted this video, I was at 954, and now you guys are awesome. I'm just so surprised at how I'm gaining now so many subs and views a day. Earlier, this was just there was any golden day when I gained this many subs that I gain nowadays on a regular basis. So back to phone, the performance of this phone is awesome. Display is awesome. Overall, at this price, this phone is awesome and unbeatable. Except the display, yeah, Samsung is known for the display, and Samsung this time have actually reduced the display from early M40 was at AMOLED, and this one have TFT. But being a TFT display, this one is the best display I've seen on a smartphone. Yes, I'm talking about the TFT display. Earlier, Samsung gave an TFT display on their J7 phone, which was actually, I can see the pixels little bit with my smartphone while zooming with my smartphone. And as you can see, my asset looks so old in front of this device. You can see the bezels of S8. Actually, the screen to body ratio of S8 is 83.4% and M40 is at whopping 94.8%. That is just so amazing. I broke my S8, man. It is looking so bad now. By the way, thank you all for watching my video and keep supporting and loving. Go ahead and subscribe my channel if you are new here, and like the video. As I said, if this video will get 150 likes, I will switch to this M40. Till then, peace out, bros.